Hello everybody, Gunman here with another Wix tutorial. In this video, we are going to look at the Wix Studio. It's the new platform for building responsive websites for your business, for your agency, for your clients. It uses responsive design with CSS grids and columns, as I'm going to be showing you. Wix has launched the Wix Studio, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through how to use it for creating websites. So to get started, as you might already know, you need a Wix account, and you can sign up very easily using your Google account. So once you have our website, simply click on the get started button, or you can use the link you can use my affiliate link in the video description. So to get started, simply answer a few questions, but feel free to skip this. As you can see at the top right there, in the top right corner, there is a button for skipping through this process. But if you want, you can answer these questions, and these questions will help Wix to provide for you the apps that you might want to use in your website, depending on which category you choose. So the first few questions that we need to answer right here are: who are you creating a website for? So the first thing is, I can say for myself, or I can say for my business. And next is, what type of website do you want to create? So this is why you enter the category of the website that you want to create. For example, let's say you wanted to create an agency website, or a makeup website, or a portfolio website. Right here we have agency website, we have web development agency. Let's try makeup. So let's say you want to create a website for your makeup studio. You simply type makeup, and we have makeup shop, makeup artist portfolio, makeup manufacturer, makeup blog, hair and makeup stylist portfolio. Let's go with the option for for digital marketing agency, and click on continue. So now this is the process these days. Depends on how you have chosen how you chose to create the website. We used to have like two platforms, the Wix editor and the Wix ADI, for which uses AI to create for you a website based on questions. Now we have, I think, three of them, or four. I think we have four of them. We still have the Wix ADI, we still have the Wix editor, the Wix Studio, the X editor. So this is the dashboard. You might already be familiar with the dashboard if you have been watching some of my Wix tutorials on the YouTube channel. We are going to begin by customizing the website by entering some of the business information. By the way, I said we are going to create a creative agency website, but I think we are going to create a makeup studio. So let's say this is called Glare Makeup. Right, and then we search the business address, which you don't actually have right now, so we might skip that or just click on continue. Next is set your default working hours, which we haven't yet set since the business is just new, so you can click on continue or click on skip for that for now. Next is the services. So what services? Now remember, I had chosen digital marketing as the website category, so that's why we have all these services for digital marketing and consulting. But I don't know if we can choose that if we choose from here makeup shop. We have different, these are just templates, by the way. These are templates that you can use to edit your services. To begin from, for example, basic makeup tutorial, have classic haircut as one of the services. So I don't think I'm going to add any services yet, but I might just add them for demonstration purposes, so that you can see how they are displayed and how you can edit them if you want to. So let's say we add some of those services and click on continue. Next is, we need a staff member that is going to be representing on the website. Who will they see? You can choose to make this your business name, or you can choose to add a staff member, an actual staff member. As you can see, you can even add more staff members. or just delete some of the staff members. So our staff member is called Leah. Let's click on continue. You should know that these questions we are answering now are based on the type of the website that you chose. So if you choose digital agency, the questions and the options might be different from what you are seeing right now. So what else do you want to do with your website? We want to offer virtual sessions, we want to accept online payments, and we want to send automated emails. We want to sync personal Google Calendar and manage the website on the Wix Owner app. And by the way, if you don't know about the Wix Owner app, you should check out my website mugabeimran.com, where I talk about the Wix platform and how you can use it to make money online. So click on continue for now. Let's go with those options. So click continue to dashboard. This is some interesting stuff, but not as interesting as what we are going to be looking at in the Wix Studio. Right, this is how the Wix dashboard looks like. From your Wix dashboard is where you're going to do things like connect your domain name if you haven't already done that, create or edit your services under booking services, manage orders if you have an online shop in your website, contacts, manage your contacts, your leads, create segments for them, and manage your site members and all that. You can also create tasks for your members and be able to manage them along with a task with reminders. A very important part of your website is the contacts, where all the people who sign in or fill in a form, sign up on your website, they are going to be right here in the contacts section. So we have communications. This is where you manage the inbox. This is where you connect your Instagram. If you go to settings and check for channels, this is where you add your Instagram, your Facebook, and your WhatsApp, so that you can be able to read the messages from Facebook and from Instagram as well as WhatsApp. You can read all the messages from these platforms using one app, the Wix Owner app. So very cool stuff right here. We have the marketing and SEO for Facebook and Instagram ads, for Google ads and the Google business profile. We have a section for social media marketing. This is where you create social media posts, and you even have a logo creator in right here within Wix platform. So all this is free. We haven't paid a thing, but all these are available for you to use. So we have billing and payments, where you can create invoices for clients. You can create invoices and receipts for clients right from within the Wix platform. Alright, so let's look at how to create the website. Let's look at how to edit the website using the new platform, the Wix Studio. From your dashboard, you can click on design website. Alright, so next is we are going to click on pick a template. Instead of using let Wix create our website for you, use our site builder to go live quickly. This is like an AI website builder which you are going to use to answer a few questions, and Wix will create for you a website. This is this option right here for let Wix create for you a site. And then we have customize a design template. Alright, so this is what we are going to choose. Choose the option that says pick a template. Now don't forget that we chose digital marketing agency while we were creating the website. We chose digital marketing agency as the website category, but we want to change this to makeup. So let's change this to see some of our website templates for makeup studio, for a makeup shop. Okay, so let's choose makeup shop, and there we have our website templates for makeup, for a makeup shop, for makeup artists and etc. And by the way, if you want to choose templates, you can also go through these tabs right here: business and services. We have advertising and marketing. We have stores for fashion and clothing, for beauty and wellness, for electronics. We have a creative section for photographers, designers and illustrators. We have portfolio websites, to display your resume, film and TV, online we have a community section for schools and universities, for non-profits, and for holidays and conferences. We have a section for a tab for blogs, to create personal blogs, food and travel blog, etc. Now this is what we call the Wix editor. This is going to take us to the Wix editor, and what we want to look at today is the Wix Studio. As you notice up there, we have the section for Wix Studio. Now the reason we don't have it right in the dashboard is because Wix Studio is a new platform and it's not accessible to everyone. So let's try to use Wix Studio, but I already showed you how to use this part. I already showed you how to create a website using the Wix editor by choosing one of these templates and editing them. So if you want to use this method, please refer to one of my tutorials on the channel, or check out my website mugabeimran.com for more detailed guide on how to create a website using the Wix editor. Now for those who want to advance and go to the Wix Studio, the new Wix website creation platform that creates very responsive websites, choose the Wix Studio and let's get started. Alright, now we are in the Wix Studio and it seems like it's in the wait list. That is a bit unfortunate, but to get a quick preview, that's how it looks like. We have layers right there, very important part, and we have pages, databases, connections, connecting to databases, and we have a coding section as well as editing the design and the Wix app marketplace. And for those who like creating animations, we have Wix Studio has made it super easy to create animations with drag and drop and with these very easy controllers. And if you want to use custom animations for your elements for your website, you can as well use this section of the CSS where you can simply paste your code and you'll see the animation running right away. And when it comes to responsiveness, Wix has made it super easy and super cool when it comes to creating responsive websites. You don't have to edit so much. You simply need to go to the mobile version and the desktop version, and the rest will fit perfectly in between. You probably might need to make a few changes in the tablet section, the tablet mode. But mostly it's a desktop and the mobile version that you might want to edit. Okay, so it's very easy to edit. As you can notice right here, we have three buttons, one for the desktop, one for the tablet version, and one for the mobile version. The Wix Studio has seamlessly integrated a lot of AI, from creating the website elements to creating text for your website, creating a copy. Now the Wix Studio is not all that Wix has brought for us. They have also launched the Wix block. You can use the blocks workspace, the Wix blocks, to build widgets, to build app elements, app components, and build mobile apps using the Wix blocks and monetize them on the market, on the app market. You can also put these apps on the Google platform, Google Play Store, or the Apple App Store. And for those who like to code, we have integrations like the Google Cloud, Microsoft Visual Studio Code, AWS, and GitHub within the Wix platform. So you can easily create your custom components using your preferred IDE. IDE simply stands for Integrated Development Environment. It simply means you have an environment for creating code and for running it and debugging it. And I just mentioned about the Wix's integrated AI features. As you can see, it also extends to code assistants, AI code assistant. Oh, by the way, before we continue, if you guys want to learn how to create a website using the Wix editor, please make sure to check out the free course on udemy.com. Have a quick link on my website on my homepage. So to move on, right here we have different business solutions. If you want to create booking space for booking your activities, for reservations, ticket selling, if you want to create classes, fitness classes, or any type of online classes, all those solutions are built within the Wix platform. Virtual classes or physical classes, you can create all those services within the Wix platform. We also have things like the check-in and check-outs, calendar, and rooms and guests booking, which works for most for restaurants, hotels. If you want to learn more about the Wix Studio, you can click on this button right here, the see all features. The last thing here that Wix has put together is the resources. Right now we have more resources than before for creating and marketing your website. And lastly, they have put more effort in the SEO. We used to have the SEO assistant, the SEO Wiz tool, which we talked about right here on this channel, on this YouTube channel. The SEO Wiz tool, which helps you index your website in Google, so that people can find your website whenever they search for keywords related to your business or to your services. So now we have an improved one with AI and with built-in class defaults, automations, and built-in integrations. We have a more ever-evolving SEO capabilities. It's too much lingo here, but all you need to understand is the SEO tool in Wix has been improved, and now you can easily rank your websites in Google. So with more partners means more available services for your business to grow online. Right, so if you want to check out, you can use these links down here for all features, or you can simply choose within the categories, the products that have been included in the Wix Studio. Some of those are design features, development features, business and solutions, AI tools, and enterprise. I've broken all these down on my website, mugabeimran.com, so you can check the full posts there. You can also check out the post on medium.com/@mugabeimran. So these are some of the new features that have been introduced in the Wix Studio. Some of the design features include the custom breakpoints. These ones simply help you to optimize your site for every screen size. We have responsive AI to instantly create responsive websites in just a click of a button. Section grid, and we have the repeaters, which are very easy now to use if you want to create like repeated elements for your services or for a gallery. It might be it's easier now with the repeaters and the CSS grids. More stuff from the design side. We have gradients now. You can easily access gradients. You can use transparent videos. You can use 3D effects by uploading and customizing transparent videos. Site styles of new typography themes and reusable assets. Drag and drop as usual. So within the design category in the Wix Studio, we have things like, we have integrations like the Shutterstock, which has already been there. This one has been there for a while. Shutterstock and unsplash.com. Now I think we have a few new ones. Dribble has been around, and maybe Figma is new, and Lottie Files. So that's for the design part, right? We have the development part. So under the development part, we have built-in IDE, as I already mentioned, integrated development environment with Microsoft, with Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services, as well as Microsoft Visual Studio to help you build your apps, run your code more efficiently. So we have Wix blocks. We have Wix blocks for building mobile apps, and we have site monitoring, which is all under the development part. Next is we have business solutions, end-to-end e-commerce solution, which has been around, but now we have new things like multiple shipping rates. And there's also this thing that is used by supermarkets and big shops. This is called a POS, point of sale. They bring products and they hover over that thing. So the point of sale reads the price of the product and also records the purchase if someone has purchased the product. So it records the purchase, and it also helps you to create reports at the end of the month to see how much you have made. So that's something that's very important for your business, for your e-commerce store. So you can have it physically, and it can help you do that. It can help you record those transactions. Wix also has something like that, so you can be able to connect it to your store, as well as these others: Amazon, eBay, Google, Merchant Wish. I don't know if TikTok also, but all of these platforms, these integrations can be used for your e-commerce store. For example, you can import products from Amazon especially if you are in the Amazon affiliate marketing program, the Amazon Associates. You can import products from there. You can as well sell your products of eBay on your website. You can also connect your Facebook shop or Instagram shop to your Wix shop. Okay, so very, very cool stuff right there. And if you want to add more e-commerce capabilities in your shop, in your e-commerce store, you can use the app market, which has hundreds of powerful apps that you can use. We have online payments, events reservations. That's also under e-commerce. As I mentioned earlier, you can also sell your tickets and other booking services online. So that's under business solutions. We have looked at development solutions and design solutions. So let's look at workflows. So under workflows, we have Studio mobile app. We have collaborations with team members. So team members can be able to leave comments on our website, and you can also see who made the last edits and who published the website. Okay, so those are some of the new things that are brought in. We have custom roles and permissions that you can create for your members, for your different team members. And we have reusable assets, design libraries for using reusable collections of typography themes, color palettes, and design assets across the team members. So we have an AI text creator which can write for you your website copy. We have the site checker which scans pages to find design, accessibility, SEO, and security issues. And I think that's also probably an AI feature. Alright, a lot of stuff right here. Let's move on to marketing and SEO. So we have instant Google indexing. Get home pages indexed in a click with a direct connection to Google Search Console. Now we have Google Search Console within your Wix dashboard. We used to have the Google Analytics. Now we have the whole of Google Search Console within the Wix dashboard. And then we have redirects, and we have SEO assistant to quickly analyze client sites for on-page issues, track progress, and make adjustments. Or we have auto-generated reports.txt files to retain this one is help for web crawling. Web crawling helps search engines to know or to learn more about your page structure, your website structure. So to help you with SEO, we have SEMrush integration. You might already know about SEMrush, which is a tool for keyword research and keywords optimization. So you can use SEMrush to identify strong keywords for your post, for your blog posts, for your pages, to optimize your pages for search engines very easily and very fast. And by the way, SEMrush also uses a lot of AI to help you achieve your results. So you have Google Search Console and Google Analytics for analytics for your website analytics and site inspection. So some of the integrations, as we have already mentioned, Google Analytics, SEMrush, we have Google Ads and Tag Manager. These ones have been around, and Search Console. We have Business Profile, Google Business Profile. So you can connect to your Google Business listing and you can see analytics for your Google Business Profile within the Wix dashboard. You can see how many people have visited your Google Business Profile, and the impressions, the messages, and visits, clicks, all that. So Yandex is another search engine. Zapier is a tool that helps you do stuff like leads collection and leads management. The rest of these, the social medias, X, Twitter, Xpro. I know you have heard of Xpro. Xpro is the subscription for Twitter. So once you subscribe for Twitter, if you want to advertise on Twitter, you'll have to subscribe for the Xpro. So with Xpro, you can be able to connect things like the Google Pixel. So sorry, not the Google Pixel. So Google Pixel is a smartphone which I use to take nice photos, and very nice phone. A quick promo for them right there. I wish they could pay for that. Anyways, so X Pro, not Google Pixel. So X Pixel or the Twitter Pixel is what you're going to use to connect your website to your Twitter account. So once you connect your website to your Twitter account, you can be able to run what we call retargeted or remarketing. So retargeted ads are simply something whereby if someone visited your website and they viewed a certain product or service, and you run your ads on Twitter with the Twitter Pixel installed in your website, you can be able to track who visited your website, and so you can be able to send them the exact ads of the exact services or exact products that you have viewed while on your website. Yeah, it might have happened to you on Facebook or somewhere. So with the WhatsApp integration, you can also connect the inbox, as I mentioned earlier while I was taking you through the Wix dashboard. You can connect WhatsApp to your website, to your Wix website, so that you can be able to read the messages from WhatsApp using the Wix Owner app. Alright, so we have Gmail right there, and Gmail mostly is for business emails. Okay, so Google Workspace. Next is we have infrastructure. So we have looked at marketing and SEO. We have looked at workflows, the business solutions, and the development as well as design solutions. So we are looking at the infrastructure now. Wix has extended with more data centers around the world to help for more stable websites, less downtime. As you can see, the first thing right here, number one, is multi-cloud hosting. With multi-cloud hosting, we have up to 99.98% uptime, which simply means your website is never going to be off. These things of where you load your website and it's not loading. That is what we call downtime. So with Wix, we have up to almost 100% uptime for your websites. So we talked about integrations like Google and AWS, Amazon Web Services. So all these are some of the services or products that Wix has integrated to make sure they have powerful servers around the world, powerful data centers around the world to power your website. Okay, we have secure payments, and we have machine learning and data analysis, and the bug bounty program. So the bug bounty program, you might already know what it means if you are a coder, if you are someone from GitHub or something like that. So the bug bounty program is where a certain company can put up some money to pay for anyone who can find bugs within their platform. And once you find the bug, that's not all. You'll have to give them a solution on how to fix it. That's one of the measures Wix has put together in order to constantly strengthen the security by inviting independent security experts to try and hack the platform for financial reward. So if you can hack the Wix Studio, so this is if you are a hacker, this is for you. If you know how to hack and you can hack the Wix Studio, come here and win some money in the bug bounty program. That is very interesting. Alright, lastly, let's look at the integrations once more. Well, I don't think we need to look at anything except the React and Node.js. These ones are for coding, for developers. You know what this means. And also JS is JavaScript. The rest we have talked about for business solutions, for marketing and SEO, etc. Alright, so I think that's it. That's the quick overview of the Wix Studio, the new platform that helps you build super responsive websites with Wix. Right, so as you can see again, it's on the wait list, but as you might already know, I'm a Wix partner, so I'm already outside, or I've already gained access to the Wix Studio, and this one is someone else's account. That's why they have this button right here, join the wait list. So for me, I'm off the wait list, but you can apply for the wait list and see how soon you might be able to get accepted. It seems like they also want a business email right here, which you might not have if you don't own a domain name already. By the way, if you want to get a domain name, check out my other tutorial right here on the YouTube channel, or check out my website mugabeimran.com and search for domain name. You'll get a blog post that guides you on how to purchase and connect a domain name to your website. Alright, so that is it for this video, and in the next video we are going to talk about in more details how to use the Wix Studio to create your websites. So I hope this one gets you started with the key features, the key new AI features that Wix has integrated in the Wix Studio, as well as the Wix platform to help you run your business smoothly online and offline. See you in the next video where we take a look at Wix Studio Editor, Wix Studio website editor. So this one was a quick overview of the features and the products and the integrations. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.